Hello there! Are you ready to revolutionize your business? Introducing our exceptional POS software, the ultimate solution for optimizing your point-of-sale operations. With our software, you'll unlock a world of efficiency, customer satisfaction, and growth. Let's explore why you should choose us. Within the Users module, you gain the power to control access and permissions effortlessly, manage your team's accounts, assign roles, and ensure secure user authentication. Say goodbye to security worries and hello to organized user management. With the Roles module, take full command of user responsibilities and privileges. Create custom roles tailored to your business needs and define who can do what. Achieve operational precision and maintain a secure, structured environment. Unlock the potential of your sales team. With the Sales Commission Agents module, track sales performance, calculate commissions, and incentivize your agents effectively. Elevate your sales strategy and reward your top performers with precision and ease. Welcome to the Suppliers module, where you gain control over your supplier relationships, streamline procurement, manage vendor details, and track transactions seamlessly. Elevate your supply chain management with our powerful tools. Discover the Customers module, your gateway to effective customer relationship management. Organize customer information, track orders, and provide personalized experiences. Enhance customer loyalty and drive growth with our intuitive customer management solutions. Simplify data migration with our Import Contacts module. Effortlessly organize and access your product catalog. With our List Products module, browse, search, and manage your inventory with ease. Introducing the Add Product module, your gateway to expanding your inventory. Quickly add new products, set prices, and define attributes effortlessly. Simplify your labeling process with the Print Labels module. Generate professional labels for products and keep your inventory well organized. Unlock product diversity with our Variations module. Create product variations, manage stock, and offer customers more choices. Streamline stock management from day one. With the Import Opening Stock module, easily bring in your initial inventory data. Manage units of measurement effortlessly with the Units module. Customize units to fit your business needs. Organize your products intuitively with the Categories module. Categorize products for easy navigation and better customer experiences. Effortlessly track your purchasing history. With our List Purchases module, access comprehensive records of all your procurement activities in one place. Streamline your purchasing process with the Add Purchase module. Quickly record and manage your procurement transactions with ease. Manage product returns efficiently. With the List Purchase Return module, keep a detailed record of returned items for better control and accuracy. Access a comprehensive overview of all your sales transactions with ease, thanks to our All Sales module. Stay informed and make data-driven decisions effortlessly. Simplify your sales process with the Add Sale module. Quickly record transactions, manage inventory, and provide seamless customer experiences. Effortlessly manage point-of-sale transactions. With the List POS module, access detailed records and insights for better business decision-making. Keep your sales drafts organized and accessible with the List Drafts module. Easily review, edit, and finalize orders as needed. Handle product return seamlessly with the List Cell Return module. Keep detailed records of returned items and ensure smooth customer service. Optimize your order fulfillment process with the Shipments module. Track shipments, manage deliveries, and keep customers informed. Streamline your sales data entry with the Import Sales module. Efficiently manage and track stock transfers between locations or warehouses with our List Stock Transfers module. Gain visibility into your inventory movement effortlessly. Maintain precise control over your inventory with the List Stock Adjustments module. Track and review adjustments to ensure accurate stock levels. Manage inventory discrepancies seamlessly with the Add Stock Adjustment module. Quickly update stock levels, improving inventory accuracy and reducing losses. Unlock actionable insights with our reporting suite, including profit, loss, sales, and expense reports for financial control. Monitor inventory effectively with stock and adjustment reports. Analyze customer and supplier data with customer groups and supplier reports. Simplify tax compliance and track system activities seamlessly. Elevate your business performance with our comprehensive reporting capabilities. The Purchase Payment Report provides a detailed overview of all your supplier payments, helping you stay organized, track expenses, and maintain a clear financial record for your business. The Trending Products Report offers valuable insights into your best-selling and popular items, enabling you to capitalize on market trends, optimize inventory, and boost sales effectively. The Stock Report provides a comprehensive snapshot of your current inventory, including quantities, product details, and stock levels. It's a crucial tool for efficient inventory management and ensuring you have the right products in stock when needed. Our software is not just a tool. It's the key to unlocking a world of efficiency and growth. With our comprehensive suite, you gain control over your finances. From detailed profit, loss reports to streamlined purchase payment tracking, managing your inventory becomes a breeze. With the stock report, ensuring you're always well-stocked and ready for demand. Our software isn't just a tool. It's your business's strategic advantage. It's your compass for navigating the complexities of modern commerce. A guardian of financial stability and a catalyst for growth. Join the countless businesses already transformed by our software. And let's chart a path to success together. Choose us, because in business, the right choice is everything.